What's up, everybody? This is the one cedar plank box. Okay guys, first things first, let's get this thing sanded down with some 80 grit sandpaper. The reason these things are so cheap is that they're only cut. You still got a whole bunch of fur on it because they haven't been milled yet. Sorry about the camera angle, but these will be the dimensions that we'll be cutting for the plank box. And please, if you like this video, like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Here I'm ripping down all the side walls 5 inches. That's how tall the box is. Let's go ahead and glue the top together. Make sure that they're the straight edges. The other sides I didn't cut down because we're going to be trimming them out later on through the video. I'm going to go ahead and nail these walls together with an 18 gauge brad nailer that I just bought at Home Depot. This thing is a lifesaver. I've been doing it with a Hitachi pneumatic brad nailer for the past, I don't know, 2 years, 3 years. This thing is so awesome. And I only bought it because my compressor went out the other day when I was remodeling my mother-in-law's bathroom. We always find a reason to buy those tools that we don't necessarily need, don't we? The brad nailer alone should do just fine, but the other day I went to Harbor Freight and I found this little ratchet clamp for a box. It has all 90-degree angles and I figured it was a good time to try it out. I went ahead and found the inside length and width from the walls to trim down a piece of wood for the bottom. Man, let's get back to the music. I'm sure you guys are tired of hearing me talk.